Hey, what's up, dudes? It's me, Mr.Airon here, the cool dude here, and welcome back to the custom night of 1 Week in Mario's 1. So, if you watched the last video, we did the Rockstar Animatronics Challenge, I believe it's called, Rockstar Challenge, and we did the odd ones out with the old animatronics, such as Proto Spring Mario, Sonic, Chris, and Insane Mario. So today in this video, we're going to be doing Plumber Dread. So that means in here, Mario's on 20 while Sonic's on 0, Luigi's on 20, and probably Knuckles is on 0. Proto Spring Mario's on 20, and Proto Spring Sonic is on 0, and Chris is somehow on 10 because, I mean, he does have like a Mario face, but there's some kind of like human inside him. So yeah, and of course Insane Mario. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Plumber Dread. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Okay. Okay, doing good. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. Okay.
You are the big thing.
Alright. Seal the box. Ah! Okay, that got me. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh god, that scared me. Gee. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, we're back again. Round 2. Let's do this. Alright. So, I need to mainly check on skill. Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna mainly focus on 13. Alright.
I love to see your smile.
Okay. Oh no. Ah!
I love to see your smile.
Oh my god. Okay, Luigi's in the vent. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're doing good. Oh no, 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 no. Oh god. God. Alright. 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 Oh no.
I love to see you smile.
Alright, we're good. Clear shift! Oh my god, that was stress. Oh my god. I made it. Thank goodness. Insane Mario just jump scared me like really bad. Just got a heart attack. God. Okay. Really? Not this again. Game is a bit frozen here. Okay. Alrighty guys, so here we are. So the next challenge we're going to be doing is called Regular Mushroom. So this is basically a challenge with all the animatronics that are all set in 5. So yeah, this might be an easy challenge or something, but let's see if we can beat it. So here we go. Alright, here we go. I'm ready. Here we go, guys. Regular mushroom. Alright. Okay, Insane Mario's going fast. A bit fast here. Uh-oh.
Hey y'all, I'm Sonic! Sonic the Hedgehog!
Alright. Doing good. There's Sonic. Uh-oh. Alright, we're doing good.
Why have you done to us?
Okay. We're doing good. Oh god. Oh no.
Why have you done to us?
Yes! We did it, guys! We beat it! We did it! We beat it! We beat it! Whew! We did it! Yes! Alrighty. So, I think this might be a good place to end the video now, so, if you guys want me to play, more of the challenges, and I'm probably gonna do that sometime in the future, so, yeah, so, or probably in the next day, so, I hope you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, don't forget to turn on my bell notifications, that way you get that way you get notified by every video that I upload to the channel. And leave a comment down below what you think of the video and all. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So Mr. Airon's out. Peace.